guys, welcome back to one of my videos. Now I've got quite a long way with this tank and things sort of like happen really quickly. I struggled a bit to do any videos, so I will apologise for that. I will take you through bit by bit of what I've done. I'm not going to show you the tank yet. I'm just going to tease you a bit there. Basically, let's just start with the bottom. As you can see, I've laid on the floor. When I said a clip-on plinth, what I actually meant is I can now take this off, and that allows me to change any flooring in the near future. Not just yet, obviously, but it just makes it easy. Obviously, I've silicone sealed along this edge here, just to stop any water creeping in from underneath for when you're like cleaning inside the tank. It's pretty simple here. Yeah, push it in up there. Basically, clips in. There you go, nice and neat. Never even know really. So that's one thing that's actually solved. I don't have to worry about in the near future. And the inside, obviously, as you can see, I haven't put any handles on it. Now, I decided this in the end. Reason being, really, is kids. Don't want the kids being able to get in here and messing around as little toddlers do. So I'll leave the handles off for now. And to get into it, I mean, that is, I wouldn't say that's easy, but I just push in the bottom of the door here, and obviously just grab this side here and just pull it out. The bifold doors, obviously all perspex acrylic on the other side, as you can see. That keeps the moisture off the timber. Same on this side, as you can see. Obviously on the top there's no perspex, but obviously that will fall on here. The perspex actually finished quite close to this under edge here. As you can see, I've put a centre support in. Really, I didn't really want to take any risks on this. So all I've done is put a 32mm pole, cut it to the length, and support them straight to the bottom concrete. And obviously right up underneath the top on a plate. As well, as you can see, I put the separate switch in, which will control fans on and off. Been pretty good, these fans actually. They're just getting rid of the heat. You'd be surprised how much heat actually builds up inside this. As you can see, obviously inside the cabinet as well, it's all acrylic, all down here, all on the inside. It's a bit of saviour, to be quite honest. When I first set it up, I had a bit of, I won't say a disaster, but a little bit of a leak. I went out, came back. Weren't too much water, but there was a tiny piece of water around the bottom here. But it's ever so simple. Wipe it up, perfect. Whether it was timber, that's not so forgiving. As you can see, obviously, put feed plugs in. This one here is actually a 4-way plug. You can put 4 separate items into it. At the minute I've only got 3. The 4th one is a spare one just in case. I'm not sure yet, as you will see in later on videos with the lights. So that's just running my lights. This one's running obviously the fans and the LED inside the cabinet. The rest of them yet to label up. That's also running the protein skimmer pump. There's another pump as well, and a heater. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, it's running pretty well. It's fairly quiet. I'm very, very surprised. So yeah, happy with this. If you've got any comments, I'll run you through other bits and pieces, obviously what I bought. As probably most of you could have guessed what protein skimmer I've bought. Running through what I've done with the piping. And other various things really. So I shall speak to you soon. Thanks for watching.